Hi, everyone. So today I thought I'd answer a question that came from the comments. This one was asked by Mackey McKinmey, and Mackey wanted to know, wanted me to talk a little bit about how to approach rhythm, beat, phrasing, and if there was any kind of teachings that Barry does along those lines. And the first thing that came to mind is something that happens occasionally, or happened in the live version of the improv class, which is starting a scale or a phrase from different parts of the bar, learning to hear every inch of the bar. So let's take this example with just a simple C6 diminished scale descending. Okay, so this can be thought of as the C6 diminished scale, which is a sixth chord and a diminished chord, or it's also the 1/2 step rule on a major scale. For more on that, you can watch the video on major half step rules. And actually, that just gave me an idea. We could maybe play around with that a little bit. But first, let's talk about the rhythmic exercise. So you're going to play the scale, and as you can see, that gives you a full measure of 4/4 with a downbeat on the second measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? So a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now what you're going to do is you're going to shave off an eighth note every time. So I'll start on 1, then I'll start on the and of 1, then I'll start on 2, and of course keep the scale where it was. In other words, just shave notes off the scale. So this is the full exercise. 1, and we'll do it slowly first, and then we'll put on our favorite looping program and play with it. And then we'll look at some other aspects, some other ways of doing the scale, and that's going to be totally off the cuff. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, so hopefully it'll be interesting. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Next will be the and of 1. 1 and 2. Next on 2. 1, 2, 3. And of 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll add them back in. So work your way back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, then you put on your favorite looper program. Okay, and the beauty of the live class is that it's a live drummer. Live drummer keeping the beat, which is kind of cool. So here's our favorite looper program. I don't know, approximately 187 beats per minute. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, So that's a great exercise for learning to feel every part of the bar. Obviously, the faster you go, the more kind of loose and more intuitive you have to be. But I found that if I still tap on 1 and 3, not 2 and 4, 1 and 3, it helps ground me in the beat, and I know where I am more often than not. I'm not going to go all the way and say all the time, but it's something to look forward to. Anyway, and then let's see if we have maybe a different line that we can explore. Okay, so we said there was one. Let's try a different rule. So maybe let's extend that out to the 3 half-step rule and see what that sounds like. I'll need to bring the tempo down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Almost. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Oh, almost. No, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, let's see if I got that right. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oops. 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I want again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, and on 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, I'm not gonna spend the rest of the video doing this, but you can see that it's a really nice brain teaser. And I don't care how much experience you have, if you haven't practiced this directly, there's gonna be something, either a combination of notes or a tempo, that'll throw your mind for a loop. And that's what you want, because that's gonna just expand how comfortable you feel anywhere within the phrase, which is crucial, because the whole name of the game of improvising is getting yourself into trouble and then having creative ways of getting out of trouble. So being really comfortable in the phrase and in the pocket is crucial. So I found this to be an extremely simple but extremely elegant and also very highly expandable format to practice rhythm in all different feels and times and tempos, and you could do parts of songs. If you're working on a solo, you could take a 2-measure phrase of that solo that you're struggling with and slowly omit notes the way we're doing. So thank you so much for the great question. I really love the comments. I love the ongoing conversation here. It gives me great ideas for videos. So by all means, don't be shy. And and if these are useful to you, please do like and subscribe, and consider visiting my Patreon page, patreon.com/IsaacRoz, where I'll post a screen grab of this exercise, and and there are other transcriptions available and other bonus material available at different patronage tiers. So if you like this content and you want to help support it, I appreciate you having a look at that. And yeah, so till the next one, keep swinging out there. Thank you.